Hello, everybody. Just looking at my laptop to see if anybody's out there. So today we're going to do Honeybee Home from the new catalog. From the January to June catalog and the celebration catalog. We can't show you any of the inside yet, so I'm going to move that. So this is Honeybee Home. It has 3 different bees, a lot of sentiments, and tulip, or that's like a horned, and a daisy, and I don't know what that is. But we're going to show you the stuff. Okay, so these are Honeybee Blooms dies, and that goes with that. And I have the one out there. This cuts that. So you can see. And this goes with this. And then there are 3 bees. And the leaf, and I'm not sure what that is, but it looks like another horned so let's look at the DSP. Front and back. Front and back. We're going to be using these 2, and I've shown you these. Oh, this is a cut in half paper. Front and back. Front and back. Front and back. So that is the paper. Okay, so I did a simple stamp on this one. It's just a couple of bees on that one. I cut this into this. So glad we're family. Stay wonderful. And I stamped the bees underneath so that they could have a little bit of a shadow. Best of luck. And I'm using the 20, 21, 23 in color jewels. And you can see that I used the leaves and the whatever that is. I don't know what the flower is, but it looks like daisies. So, and then I did this one. It's a little bit of a mess, but I wanted to show you how the weeds look against the flowers. Okay, so we're going to make let me find, we're gonna make a fun fold. So I'm going to use the black and the white. Just so we have something on that. Oh my goodness. My tape does not want to work. And we're going to use this on the inside. So okay, so we're going to stamp we're going to stamp the black bee and we're going to stamp let me get my coloring done first. So I'm using the markers, Stampin' Right markers, to color the horn flowers. And that was Poppy Parade. And I'm going to use Mossy Meadow for the stem and the leaves. You can do this too with Beautiful. And then we're going to use, this is Poppy Parade as well. So we're going to use the mini Stamparatus, or mini embossing machine. To cut out the bee and the flowers. I'll show you in just a second. And I'm going to use Rachel Tessman's idea to keep the stuff in place. I need that to be on that side. So she uses a sticky note. And that kept everything in place. Okay, so we're going to use the double oval Okay, so I want to put this up on dimensionals. But I want to have these in the background. So I'm going to glue this down. And I did this in Mossy Meadow and Olive. And notice I'm not putting a lot of glue on it. And just well, that one didn't go down right. I didn't want it that to be And this is going on a mini dimensional. And we're going to center this and put it on a dimensional as well. And that is the card. It's just miss you so that you can see how you can use all of the sentiments. Let me get this so that you can see it. And I would send all of these through the mail. Have a wonderful afternoon. Oh my goodness, you can't see me. And don't forget to use the December host code when you order. And FrancineWilson.stampinup.net. Ask me for a January to June catalog. And I am on YouTube as well as Stamped Crafts Go. And don't forget to subscribe to YouTube. Have a wonderful afternoon and have a great evening.